be that good. How should we continue? What makes you continue? Like,
So I feel like the fact that I even got an opportunity to be a part of a film, to be cast in a film, is a huge deal. It's a very big deal because there are so many people who come from small towns, from different cities, trying to get that first film. So it's a big deal just to begin with that you've been cast in a movie. Now this, of course, the second and third aspect of that is whether that movie does well or not. But to get that opportunity, I was very, very grateful that I got that opportunity. And then, of course, the fact that the film did do well, it is heartbreaking. You want your work to be appreciated. You want people to go and watch your films. You want people to like you on the big screen. You want people to accept you as an actor on the big screen. And I just had my fingers crossed. I was like, यार कोई मुझे एक और पिक्चर दे दे प्लीज, कोई मुझे एक और मौका दे दे, मैं वापस कोशिश करूँगी. And sorry, I'm going to jump back and forth.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yes, all goes.
So I was just lovely to.
You're gorgeous.
Oh, thank you. Love you guys. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much for having me.
We're happy to have you.
I'm really happy to be here. And all of you are so generous and so loving. Thank you so much.
Shraddha, I love you.
I love you so much. Thank you. Oh, don't cry. No, please.
Hey, villain.
Really? Huh?
Arohi!
Arohi.
Arohi! I love you!
Love you guys so much.
Love you, Shraddha.
Love you guys. Thank you so much. Hello.
Delhi here, Shraddha.
we will give you a chance. Trust me, we will give you a
Bas
chance.
kar do.
Thank you. I'm glad. I really appreciate the compliment. Thank you so much. So,
The city is of love.
sorry?
This city is all about love.
It's amazing. I'm learning so much because there is nothing like love and affection and sharing. So I can feel all your energy. It's too good. Thank you so much. And so yes, I was just like, यार मुझे एक और picture मिल जाए, And I'm so glad that at that point I got to be a part of Love Ka The End, which was my second film, which maybe all of you have never heard of or seen. Oh my god, yeah, that's great. It was a lot of fun. That film was so much fun. I got to work with a fabulous team, and it was nice to be a part of a film which was led by three girls at the time. And so I feel like, just to come back to what you had asked me, at that moment I still feel I'm very blessed, I'm very privileged because मुझे मौका मिलता है to be a part of films. People don't even get that chance. उनको वो मौका भी नहीं मिलता that they get their first film. They try for years and years and years. So if I compare my journey to that, I am very, very, very privileged. But if there was that hard time where you want your film to do well, I was very blessed that I had a very good support system. I live with my parents still, and he has been a rock in my life. My father, my bapu, and his journey. He did not come from a film background. His background was completely different. My dadaji was in the textile industry, and my father, being an absolute, he was very sure. He was like, मुझे तो actor ही बनना है. तो घर छोड़ के he came to Bombay, and he really made it from zero. And that is something that hearing his stories, I really take my inspiration from that and I try not to take anything for granted, and I know how privileged I have been and how blessed I've been. So my parents have been a very big support system in my life. My brother has been a very big support system. When those two films didn't do well, I remember I was very upset, and my dad was like, कुछ नहीं होता, try करो, try करते रहो, और auditions दो, और काम करो. This is a part of life, and so I'm just very grateful to my parents and my family for being there.
Hands down, your father is one of the hardest working people I've seen. In a sense that the amount of films that you've done.
He has done, guys. आप guess कर सकते हो how many films he has done? हाँ?
200.
Triple digit है.
Above.
500. 700.
Yes.
Wow.
My dad has done over 700 films.
The most handsome villain.
The most. और उनका मतलब जब बहुत पुराने फोटोज है घर पे, एंड क्या स्टाइल होता था यार, उनका अभी भी क्या स्टाइल है. ही इज जस्ट समवन हु इनहेरेंटली हैज दैट ऑरा एंड वाइब. सो ही हैज डन 700 films, and the kind of roles that he has done, the stories that I hear, oh my god, I could just sit and hear his stories every day about his journey, his struggles, and how he was like, मैंने कभी ऐसे सोचा नहीं कि struggle है, या मैंने तो ऐसे सोचा कि यही ऐसे ही होता है, कि ऐसे ही काम करना होता है. So imagine he didn't even feel that it was a struggle for him, which is an amazing mindset.
So, new to all the aspiring actors, new actors, it's just be blessed for the first film that you got, and you also get it, and from your father. It's not a struggle to begin with. This is what you love. Keep doing it. That's awesome. Let's delve into some strong films that you've done. I have to be biased as it's one of my favorite films, to be honest. Like one of my favorite films overall. Heather. Like you were in Heather. What an impact the role that you played. I believe the contrast you brought made Shahid Kapoor's character more clear. Otherwise, it wouldn't be clear why is this guy that much between your contrast. So overall, like how is it working with Shahid Kapoor and this role and with this cast?
Oh my god, it was when I auditioned for my part in Heather, and when Vishal sir chose me, I was like, I can't believe I'm getting to work with Vishal Bharadwaj. I have to pinch myself. And it was a very big moment for me to be cast in Heather. It was a dream come true for me to work with him. I mean, he's one of the finest filmmakers we have. And so I was just very, very excited and very, I was like, अब ये picture कैसे होगी? इसकी journey क्या होगी? And you know, when you work with people who are so passionate about their craft, as a director, he's extremely passionate about how he makes his films, and I got to experience that. He's very, very, very true to what his vision is, you know, and I think we all saw that in a beautiful film, and that's what makes a beautiful film come to life on the big screen. My experience on Heather specifically made me fall in love deeper with the craft, because I saw how Vishal sir worked, and I was like, अगर काम करना है तो ऐसे करना है, प्यार से, passion से करना है. So that was the takeaway for me.
You respect the craft that leads respects you back.
Dada, can you sing Heather song?
Yes, please.
And we're waiting for the Q&A. We can wait.
Will you sing with me?
Ashiki
Please sing
song.
later, but
Yes.
what do you think?
Later.
Later?
Yeah. With
But
self
you all have to sing quick.
with selfies.
Ashiki song.
Okay, we'll all take one vote.
Ashiki.
Ashiki.
ये तो मतलब majority है.
आशिकी song.
But साथ में गाएंगे last में.
So, one of the amazing, how to call it, like hits, and a very different role again. Still, Now, Sri is one of those. She is one of those films that, regardless of all the data, all the producers.